to the channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of DJ Plus 3 Outdoors. So today we had some storms come through last night and it knocked this tree branch over and it almost fell and hit me. So what we're gonna do is we picked up a new tool today. So let's check that out. We got us a new chainsaw today. So this is the Ryobi 2-cycle 16-inch. So it is gas powered. It's mixed regular 50-to-1 ratio. It's got a few little nice features it's supposedly got on it. But we're gonna try it out for the first time and see if we can get this tree taken down a little bit. I don't have a ladder, so I don't really have a way to climb up there, but we're gonna do what we can. So get all of our stuff off of here. So we'll go ahead and we'll fill her up with some gas. Went ahead and picked up this 50-to-1 pre-mix fuel. I'm not going to put a whole lot because I hate storing stuff with liquids in it. So we're just going to mess with this little tree for today and give her a little review, try her out. Get the fuel in there. And you always want to make sure you keep plenty of bar and chain oil in your chainsaw when you're cutting. Went ahead and bought some new cord of that in case I couldn't find mine. Fill her on up. Now I'm definitely not a chainsaw expert. If you want to learn specific things about a chainsaw, you might have to go somewhere else. I just know how to get one running. If it's broke, I can more than likely fix it. And I can make it do what I need it to do. Chain's pretty tight already. Alright, we got the brake bar release. Alright, so we got to get the primer bulb is stiff. There we go. Pull the choke out. Push the choke in. Kill switch works fine. All right, let's do a little bit of some cleanup. Do a real tester of it. Cuts pretty nice. mean, obviously it's small stuff, so any brand new chainsaw would probably be able to take care of it no problem, but still makes me happy. This is the first decent chainsaw I've had. Figured a 16-inch blade or bar would be pretty sufficient to cut most things I'm gonna need to cut. So we got the old ash tree at the property that we had cut down maybe half a year ago. Still haven't had anybody come back to finish cutting it up. So yeah, we decided it's time. We bought our own so that I can cut it all up. Won't have to rely on anybody. And then we can go ahead and start cleaning up the property the way we'd like to. So you can see that one broke up there, but I still got this one that I got to deal with. This whole thing split. All cut down, good as new. Well everyone, that's my review on a Ryobi 16-inch bar 2-cycle gas chainsaw. I have no complaints about it so far. I haven't really got to test it out much, but it's definitely going to be coming in handy here in the near future. It's fixing to be wintertime, so we're going to get a lot of wood chopped up, stocked up, and probably be able to sell some as well. So it's hot out here, so I'm going to get inside and get a shower. Hope everybody has a good one. Take it easy.